Hi Oliver, it's Glenn. This Marshall's bag contains 48 Erlenmeyer flasks. Now these are 125 milliliter Erlenmeyer flasks, so it's slightly larger than what you asked for. But if you need 50 milliliter containers, I have 50 milliliter beakers. If you would prefer to use the 50 milliliter beakers rather than 125 milliliter Erlenmeyer flasks, please let me know. This is your pH probe, and it plugs into this interface device using one of these 3-channel ports. Turn this on like this, with this button. Takes a long time to boot. It's a modified Linux operating system. These guys Vernier, they put it on here, and the microprocessor is kind of primitive compared to what you're used to. So it's very slow. While we wait for that, I've also brought your ring, your iron ring. It's a smaller size. I think this will fit your separatory funnel. If it doesn't, feel free to add tape to this curved bar to make it thicker so you can fit your separatory funnel. You could add tape and paper towel there, or tape and cotton, or tape and cardboard, or whatever you can figure out. I think this will fit, but I don't know where you put the big box, so I'm not sure if this will fit, but I'm sure that what I am sure of is that you will figure it out. So that's this goes on that rusty metal stand that was in that big box. Still booting. So this thing needs to be charged. I wasn't doing anything important on this before, so just cancel that. This thing needs to be charged once in a while. So this is the adapter, plugs into the this is DC power port right there. This is the pH is displayed here, and this pH probe has to always be wet. This electrode solution is a saturated solution of potassium chloride. It protects the electrode from damage due to age and dryness and the like. Now, I think that's all you really need to know. This device is capable of graphing stuff automatically. It's capable of collecting pH data. It could collect 20 data points per second if you wanted to, or even more if you wanted to, but I'm pretty sure that's not what you want it for. So if you want this to collect data automatically, just let me know and I'll make another video for you about that. All right? I suspect you just want this. You just want to see the pH. I'm trying to see if I forgot anything. Oh yes, I did forget something. So to turn this off, please press the home button, which is right here or right there. My fingers are kind of fat, so it's hard to use the touch screen. So this stylus is tied to the device, and there's a little pocket for it right there. So you can use the stylus if you want, like that, or you could use this button, this button here. And then to turn it off, you go to System and Shut Down. It will also sleep, so you could just let it sleep by not touching it for a long time. But it's best to turn it off so that you don't have to keep on charging it. Up to you though. It's not going to mind a whole lot if you leave it on and just let it sleep. That's it. So I'll leave these hard materials in Christie's box for you, and I'll leave this bag of flasks on the table in the teacher's room, which is inertia. Thank you.